Welcome to Watkins Glen International. We're here in upstate New York for what is going to be a fun and fast race on this track. A wide front stretch for these drivers can go up to 4 wide. And then, of course, turn 1 also got a lot of runoff from. So, turn 1 is where we'll probably be seeing a lot of moves made. The bus stop, another place where you can see a lot of moves. Though, here, it's about braking into the turn. And, it does get tight. You can only go 2 by 2 through here. As you do go through the chicane, the outer part, not straight on through. That was dubbed too dangerous. Then the carousel, you lift off on entry, and then as you come through just off the bottom of the racetrack. As you get about a quarter of the way in, you get flat on the pedal, full speed, up to the second to last corner here, which leads up to the last corner. A little bit of braking on entry, and then coast it, and then go down the front stretch. As they come into the braking zone, they're going 140 miles an hour. Here, and as they come out, they go through turn 1, there's a little bit of space where they go straight, and then they go through turn 2, and then into 3 and 4, which makes the S section, 2, 3, and 4 makes up the S section, and then they have a long, fast section, and then they come into the braking zone at the bus stop that we talked about. So we have 30 drivers revving to go. Let's go over our Chevrolet starting lineup. On pole, we have Jimmy Johnson running his car that he used to win at New England Motorsports Park. Next to him is Kurt Busch. Then you have Corey LaJoie and Ryan Newman. Kyle Busch and Wallace. Keselowski and Allmendinger, the road course specialist. Earnhardt and Harvick. DiBenedetto and Kenseth, Patrick and Elliott, Boyer and Almirola, Logano and Sadler, Kane and McMurray, Bain and Hamlin, Larson and Truex, Dillon and Stenhouse, Ty Dillon and Daniel Suarez, and Blaney and Jones. Let's get this race started here in New York.